Yo, hello, Lahalili back here. I'm about to show you how to restore your iPhone X if it's stuck on recovery mode, if it's stuck on the Apple logo in bootloop. And I don't know, just it's going to show you this here. Maybe you can update if you're lucky, you can update it and you will lose nothing, because I got a lot of hate comments saying, oh, you make these videos, trash videos, your voice is so loud and stuff like this. But I can do nothing because I'm recording with the iPhone, so I don't have a professional microphone. So let's go. Let's just get this one here. All you have to do is, if you want to restore, press up, down, hold this one here for about 10 seconds or more, I don't know, till iTunes recognize it as a DFU mode, because I was in recovery mode because I wanted to update. So I'm just about to show you how you can enter DFU mode. This time it didn't went through. Another one. Okay, so now we got an iPhone X, iPhone 11, iPhone 10 on DFU mode. So all you have to do is press restore, and that's it, because someone is calling here and I'm about to go out. Where is the restore here? Here we go. We're gonna restore this one. Restore and update. If you're lucky, just hit update and it should work. Thank you so much for watching. So just to let you know, because I stopped the video, but I did it again, so the iPhone works. Here it goes, and everything works normally. It's just within normally iCloud, so it should be, the email should be entered in the password and everything will work. My daughter out there making noises. But anyways, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I don't know if I helped you, but yeah, that's it for the iPhone X 11 and the next upcoming 12. This is going to be the DFU mode, recovery mode, restore and everything. Thanks for watching. Bye. Have a nice time.